how you can increase your Instagram followers by using Instagram suggestion profile settings. You probably have realized that whenever you follow someone, you will get similar accounts in order for you to follow them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can include your account in similar account suggestions. Now you just have to follow some simple steps for it. First of all, open a browser on your device and look for Instagram.com. Then you just have to go on it and log in your account in your browser. After you've done that, you can click on your profile. Then you can see an option of edit profile. You just have to click on it and scroll all the way down until you see show account suggestions on profile. Now you just have to turn it on and submit it. Once the information have been saved, your account will be shown in the similar account suggestions. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful.